woke up around 2 in the morning, and for whatever reason, I just could not get back to sleep for about an hour. My husband falls asleep easily at night, but he gets up in the middle of the night a lot. And so he loves to use Asutra's Dream the Night Away lotion, which contains both magnesium and melatonin. It just helps him calm those thoughts in his brain and relax so that he can fall back asleep. I felt like I just wanted to fall asleep myself, but after an hour, I was like, all right, I gotta have a sleep aid. So I went into the bathroom, I took the Dream the Night Away lotion tube from his side of the counter, and I massaged it into my neck, my belly, and the bottoms of my feet. And I got back in the bed, and probably within 20 minutes, I could feel myself falling back asleep, and I slept the rest of the night.